Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky Bex, whatever you guys like to call me. In today's video, I am going to be trying out the Mememe Correct and Perfect Concealer Kit. Now I know I featured Mememe a lot on this channel. I know I feature them countless times. They are a very, very affordable brand and I find they don't get mentioned very much, which is a shame because I feel like they need more hype. This video is not sponsored by Mememe. They don't even know I'm making this video. But I like the fact that there's a concealer and a setting powder at the bottom for £3. £3 to have 2-in-1 plus a mirror as well. I was really intrigued. So I'm going to show you guys the application with this and let you guys know my thoughts about it. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Mememe Correct and Perfect Concealer Kit, just keep watching. This concealer retails for £3 on the Mememe and the Too True website. It says on here, everything you need in one little handbag friendly kit. Use the hydrating cream concealer to hide sneakily telltale dark circles and blemishes before setting it in place with the light mattifying setting powder. This essential compact pot, complete with mirror, offers on-the-spot action for girls on the go, so you have no excuse to look anything but ravishing. Oh, and they don't test on animals. £3 is not bad. So inside you've got the mirror, you've got the concealer. Oh, this is in the shade Buff, by the way. I swear they had a second shade, but I can't seem to find it anymore. So I guess the only shade they've got is Buff. So that's the concealer there. And then you twist it, and there's your powder. £3. If this has got good coverage under my dark circles and blemishes, I'm going to be blown away for £3. The fact it comes with a mirror, you've got the concealer, and you've got a powder. I'm going to take a very small little flat brush here. I'm going to pick up the concealer. Oh, okay, so it's quite thick. I mean, it's to be expected. So it might be a bit too dark, but we'll see. So under the eyes. Okay, I think I could just about get away with that. I think it sort of matches my foundation. Okay, the coverage isn't too bad. I come around my nose as well. Around my chin. And areas I've got blemishes, so maybe here. Okay, I'm just going to blend it out properly with the sponge now. Right, well I wouldn't say it's got the fullest coverage I've known, but it's pretty decent. I'm going to use the angle as well, and I'm going to clean up my cream bronzer I've just applied. Now I know this is probably not very hygienic to do, but I want to see if I can get a little bit more coverage from that concealer. So I'm actually going to use my finger. I shouldn't really be adding more concealer underneath because that can crease your under eyes really bad. But I'm just curious if I can get any more coverage out of it with blending it under my finger. Nope, doesn't look like it. Oh wow. Now I really want to test the powder that's underneath. So it says it's meant to be a mattifying powder. I'm hoping it's translucent. Ooh. I guess I'm just going to pack some in here. I guess. Oh. Doesn't have a smell to it. So we're going to just do one eye first. Just going to go in with just a fluffy eye blender brush. Just going to use that to pat powder under my eyes. And we're going to see how this sets under my eyes. I've got to say, guys, that powder's pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie, it really did set under my eyes. I did use a different powder for my face, because otherwise I'd use the whole thing just to set my face. So I used the I Heart Revolution scented powder in peach just to do the rest of my face. But it's not half bad for under my eyes. It really did set. And I did find it added a bit more coverage as well. So, I mean, that's pretty good. I'm going to zoom you guys back and let you guys know my thoughts. Hello guys, my thoughts on the Mememe Correct and Perfect Concealer Kit. Guys, for £3, this is not bad. For £3, I would say this gave a little bit more of a medium coverage. So it's not light, but it's not full coverage either. But the concealer was pretty decent, and it's not too thick either under the eyes. So you could definitely make this work under the eyes and on blemishes. Usually these kind of concealers in a pot are really, really thick. But this is really, really good. And the powder, oops, it sort of exploded there. I think I'm just gonna keep it closed. But the powder was pretty good. It set my under eyes really nicely. It hasn't dried my under eyes. It did say on the website that this is a mattifying loose powder. So I was a little bit scared that it was going to make my under eyes very dry, because I have very dry under eyes. But it really hasn't. And I found it add a little bit more coverage under there as well. It did add a little bit of colour under the eyes, so I'm not too sure if this was meant to be translucent or not. It's pretty good. I think this is quite a good hidden gem actually for £3. I only wish, yes, I know what you're all going to say, there needs to be more shades. I say this a lot in my videos because it's true, especially with these very affordable brands. There needs to be more shades of this. Like fairer skin and my kind of skin, but for deeper skin, you're not going to be able to get away with this. You might be able to use it as a colour corrector, maybe. Maybe? I mean, it's got a slight peach undertone in it, so deeper skin might be able to get away with it as a colour corrector. Yeah, just bring out more shades, that's all I'd say, really. So that way all different skin tones can try this. I really like this, and I'm really impressed with it. I really like it. Really like this. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.